Hey girl, how's it going? Oh, I totally feel ya. Yeah, I was just calling you to actually tell you about a dream I had last night. Yeah, it was actually about your dad. Yeah, I know, isn't that crazy? Yeah, but, I've been fantasizing about him all day now. Yeah. So I was just wondering if you would be mad or not, if I hit him up. Would you be mad at me if I did that? Okay, well, I'm gonna let you think on that regardless. Alright, so nice talking to you. Bye.